You ready to blow some shit up?
Hell yeah.
Come on.
Yeah, you saw that right. I'm at the shooting range, the Clark County shooting range in Las Vegas. One of our vendors has invited us. One of our vendors has invited us, and one of our vendors has invited us out to do some clay pigeon shooting. What could go wrong? A bunch of crazy construction workers at the end of a long week with golf carts and shotguns? Sounds like a plan. Let's do this.
I'll do a two meat plate with ribs and pulled pork.
I just realized I didn't have any of the microphone on for my intro. That's Felipe in the back. Yeah. That's Rob driving. I don't know who these people are. Oh. Anyway, we've taken our safety courses. We have our clay carts. And now there's 15, I don't know, overworked construction workers with shotguns and golf carts heading out to blow shit up. So, should be a fun day.
Pull.
Here you go. Thanks for filming, man. All right, so I got 2 out of 4 on that round. So, and now he's gonna shoot.
Whoa.
Did you get it? I didn't see.
No, I don't think I got it. Oh!
God, nice shot.
Nice.
All right, so it's really, really windy and really dusty, dirty out here while we're driving in the golf cart, so I'm gonna put the camera away soon. But it's actually pretty cool. It's kind of expensive to go out and blow the shit out of stuff, though. It's not cheap. Okay, that was a lot of fun. That was a lot of fun. And I'm leaving with all my appendages, so that's a bonus. And this girl is barely making it across the street with her car. No, I can't see it. Anyway, moving on. Headed home. It was really, really dirty out there because all the roads are dirt roads, and I didn't realize that. And all the carts in front of me were flinging dirt all in the air. And I was talking about my camera is the only one I got. I don't feel like having to have the sensor cleaned right now because I can't afford it. And I'm too afraid to do it myself because I think I'll scratch it, which I don't want to do. So I ended up packing the camera up early. I did have a lot of fun. I got to blow the shit out of some clay pigeons, which was pretty cool. Now I am going to go pick up my son and get my weekend started. See what else we can get ourselves into. It was a tiring, long day, but it was fun. And I didn't have to sit in the office, so bonus. Late.